student, today we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 2. The unit name is Sports. In this unit, let us see the supplementary, a practice makes a man perfect.
Unit 2 Sports. In this unit, let us see the supplementary practice makes a man perfect. In the story, let us see about the comparison of Archer and the oil seller. Long ago, there lived a archer man whose name is Uttaman. During that time, the forest and animal fills the land. He wasn't skilled by the archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Archery means who is performing with bow and arrow. He could hit the center of the target preciously, no matter how. He will target the only one thing that is in the focus of the center point. He was also a show off. Show off means whatever he is doing, he will show to the crowd because his name should be popular. That's why he is showing off everything to the crowd people. He liked to show off his skills for the crowds to admire. One day, as usual, he was shooting arrows at the targets. That is, Uttaman is shooting arrows at the targets. The crowd admires and watched surprisedly. At that time, the man with a beard, that is, who is having a beard, which is there in a white color snow, carrying oil gourds. Oil gourds means is having full of bottles of oil in his hand. Joined the crowd and stood at the back. He joined the crowd and stand at the back of the crowd. As Uttaman finished everything, the crowd clapped and cheered for the expect the oil seller. That is, the oil seller alone not clapped or cheered because he said one thing. Suddenly, with a deep and loud tone, he said, "It's just a matter of practice. If you practice well, we can do everything as you like." Said by Oil God. Uttaman got annoyed. That means he got irritated and asked, "Are you an archer? Do you think anyone is what I can do?" "You cannot do anything what I am doing," said by Uttaman. The oil seller said, "It's just a practice." The old man said calmly, "No, sir, I am not an archer. I don't doubt your skill. I don't have any doubt about your skill, but it is just a practice. You can make everything." Uttaman was very angry and the face became red in color. "What do you know to pass such thoughtless comments on others? Who are you?" That is, a Uttaman asked to the oil seller. The oil seller said, "Sir, there is no reason to be angry. Why are you becoming angry? I didn't say anything. I said it's just a practice." The oil seller said, "I am a simple oil seller. I am sure you have guessed that by seeing my gods. If you are seeing the gods, you have guessed me that I am a oil seller. I will fill these gourds with oil and sell them." Gourds means it is a type of bottle. Over the year, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow me, I'll show you what are the skills I am having. Let us see. Uttaman said, a mocking tone, "Let us see your skills." Everyone was curious because they were very curious what the oil seller is going to do. The Uttaman is also waiting. Let us see what the skill that the oil seller had. They wanted to see what could happen next. The crowd inched closer to get the clear view of the oil seller. All the crowd came closer to the oil seller. Unfazed by the crowd and by habit, the oil seller was very calm because he is going to do the skill. It is not a show of whatever skill he is having that he is going to telecast to the crowd. The oil seller patiently placed the empty oil bottle on the ground. Then he placed a small coin on mouth of the god. The small coin is made up of fully copper. It has a small hole at the center. In that coin there is a small hole which is there in the center. The oil seller stood up and take some oil in his handle. That is, he began to pour the oil into the gourd. Within a small hole, all the oils were poured into a bottle gourd. That the crowd was very much surprised and they will be waiting for the thing what was happening. They were very excited to see what the oil seller is doing. Uttaman is also shocked that the oil seller did. When the oil seller has finished filling the gourd, he lifted the coin which he placed on the bottle. He showed the people that the coin did not have any trace of oil. There is not a single drop of oil is there in this coin. So, his skill is also proved by a oil seller. When we compare to Uttaman, the oil seller was very good in his skill because everything is a practice. Practice makes a man perfect. The crowd was shocked and too silent. Then one person cheered and cherished for the oil seller. The entire crowd burst into a loud cheer for the oil seller. They were clapped and cherished for the oil seller. The oil seller smiled and said, "As I told, there is nothing special about it. It is only just a practice. It is a matter of practice." Uttaman was just as surprised as the crowd. He smiled and said to the oil seller, "You have taught me something today. Thank you for that. This lesson I will never forget it." Let us see a small grammar part which is there in your book. Can you see the picture? It's a tree which will be green in color. The girl is saying it is a big tree. The boy is saying no, it is a huge tree. Now the father is entering into the both of them and saying both were correct. Big is also the same meaning, huge is also a same meaning. That is, both the spellings are different but the meanings are same. Let us see some example related to the same meaning but different spellings. Angry. Angry means it is very anger. Furious. Both were same meaning. Happy. Joy. Cut. If you are cutting the vegetable, they will say cut the vegetable. Some other will say chop the vegetable. Both are in the same meaning. Slim means thin. Thin means slim. Both were lean. Okay, both have a same meaning. Next one, read the sentence and write the word with the same meanings for the underlined word. That is, I ate the big apple. We have already seen for the big. So what is the answer? Large. Very good. Big means it is large. This is a little dog. Little means it is small dog. Okay. I threw a rock in the lake. That means rock means it is a stone. I am so happy. Happy means we have to say that is glad. Glad is also happy. Circle the difference between the following picture. Here, some of the picture has been given. You are going to find out all the difference. After finding the difference, you can match with the correct answer. Yes, there was a both the tree were there and there was a pond. In the pond, some ducks are swimming. You can see the difference between in both the picture. In the first picture, the sun is happy face. But in the second picture, the sun is in the sad face. First picture shows the tree is tall. But in the second picture, the tree is very short. First picture shows the pond is full of water. But in the second picture, the pond is fully empty. Yes, there is a difference between both the picture. The next one is, we have seen all the things, but we have going to see the opposite for everything. Happy is the opposite for sad. Tall is the opposite of short. Full is the opposite of empty. Whatever we are seen in the picture, the same thing they are given in the opposite meaning. Fill in the blanks with correct opposite. I'll tell you the word, you have to tell me what is the opposite for that. Is this bottle empty? You can see the picture and say the correct answer. It is fully filled. So, empty opposite is full. Next one. Is this a small tree? No, it is huge tree. What is the small opposite? Huge. Is he standing on the top? No, he is standing at the bottom. Very good. Top opposite is bottom. Is this a dark room? No, it is a bright room. So, dark opposite is bright. Children, I hope you all understood about the story, that is, a practice makes a man perfect. Thank you, students.